So I think the role that the physio can bring to the STAK program, it depends a little bit on the patient, and it can be a whole range of things. So the first thing is about delivering the STAK tool. So we have a program that we have to set up and deliver and teach them to use this tool. And then we can start to develop that program and tailor that program for the individual.
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 hands onto this armrest for me. Really pull yourself across, bring that hip down to the chair, all the way down. Good, good, well done. And a little shuffle forward if you can. Let's create a bit of space. Perfect, well done. So we're gonna hold this for 20 seconds, really good. It might be that they struggle with pain and motivation, or it might be that they really struggle with just developing that stretch. And we can do all sorts of things around that program. So we can add in things like manual therapy, soft tissue massage. We can add in an exercise program to complement the STAK tool. And we can be there for the patient. We can answer those difficult questions they have about why this has happened to them and what we're going to do about it. We have to be able to break down that scar tissue that's stopping you from bending that knee. And so we need to be able to push through that pain. All right. So we've got a letter here that we can take to your GP.